let me show you Cloud Foundry's latest route-based feature, which is adjusting the load balancing algorithm from the default round robin to least connection. Route-based in this case means you can do it on a per app level, and you don't need to do it on a global level. So you can do it yourself without relying on a platform operator enabling it full platform. Let me show that to you now. And for that, I prepared an app. Let's have a quick look into the app code. So you can see it basically just presents you an HTML page. And to make our tests a bit more meaningful, we added a sleep for the response. The default sleep is 5 seconds, and the higher the instance index is, the shorter the response time will be. In our test, we will have 5 instances, so we expect the instance with the index 4 to have the highest number of requests, as it will have the fastest response time. So let's push this app with our manifest for round robin. And see here, as mentioned before, we have 5 instances. Load balancing is round robin, which is also the default. And we will now wait till our app is deployed. So our app is up and running. Now check how the round robin is distributing the requests. I prepared a small script, which will I open in Split Terminal. Let's have a quick look. That's our script for the round robin. So basically what we have here, it's just, it will send 1000 requests to our app. After every request, we do a sleep of 1 millisecond to give Cloud Foundry the chance to evaluate the number of connections or which instance just got the request and spread it afterwards to another instance. And at the end, we get finished. So beside that, we also need to gather the logs so we can evaluate afterwards our results. For that, we trail the logs of our app. We are only interested in the app index information, which means the app index of the instance that responded to the request. And then we will write that into a file. Look at it afterward. So we now started our log trailing, and we will start our script. It will take a bit till it finished, then we look at the results. And our script is finished. So we can close this window and build the log trailing. And what we do next is we check our file we've written. We sort the information in there and let it count. So we can see it's almost evenly spread across all instances, which makes sense because we had round robin as a load balancing algorithm, which routes the requests to one instance after another. Now we will check the least connection and see if the result changes. For that, we push another app. Again, 5 instances, but this time load balancing least connection. Wait till our app is deployed. So now that our app is deployed, we will use similar approach as before. We check the logs of our app. Then we extract the app index out of it and put all of that into a file. File differently here, so also makes sense. What did we do? We forgot the pipe. We split our screen again. And now we have a different script. Let's have a look. Sending 1000 requests again with a sleep of 1 millisecond. Let's go. So our script is done. Close this one again. And we will check our results. Like before, we sort and then count. Seems like first approach messed up our file a bit, but still we can see at the end our results, which shows most requests ended up instance index 4 and the least amount of requests on instance index 0. That was everything I wanted to show you. So have fun using this new route-based load balancing algorithm, and see you next time.